Siebapo. Siebapo. Get out of here. Siebapo. Asinge. Pomniru. Vamos. Pomniru. Vamos. Siebapo. Get out of here. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a girl, Igbo Nono, and you're welcome to this channel, guys. Please, if you're not subscribed to this channel yet, please try to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I find out that my views are way more than my subscribers. Yes, YouTube sends us this analytics to tell you that most people that are watching your channel are not even subscribed to you. Guys, please try to subscribe to this channel. I am putting on a hard work in this channel. Trust me, it's not easy to make a video. Trust me. I'm the editor, I'm the director, I'm the decorator, I'm the fashionista, I'm the person doing, I'm the makeup artist. So I'm just all in one. You can just do me good by subscribing to this channel and building a community with me while I deliver to you guys, right? In today's video, this is the second video I'm filming today. Yes, that is why peradventure you might be seeing me wearing the same clothes or the same hair or the same look. Yes, this is the second video, right? So in today's video, guys, I'm going to be telling you the funny and best Igbo insults. Yes, the funny and best Igbo insults. It's actually funny, it's actually interesting. So today I'm going to bring you guys the best and funny Igbo insults. And number one is, what says, mechono, mechono, mechone bound. Keep your mouth shut. Mechone bound. Keep your mouth shut. Yes. And number two is siebapo. Siebapo. Get out of here. Siebapo. Asinge. Pomniru. Vamos. Pomniru. Vamos. Siebapo. Get out of here. Sieba. Begini. Po. Sieba. Begini. Po. Sieba. Po. Kita. Get out of here now. Siebapo. Kita. Egbenu babugi. Gone from the sky should shoot you. Egbenu babugi. Egbenu megene. Watch out for gone from the sky to shoot. Egbenu babugi. You see you. When your head looks like that of a goat. You see gini ewu. You see ewu. And next one here is ashawo. This is actually in English prostitutes. Yes, but I don't know why we use it in Igbo as an insult. Even when you're not even an ashawo, somebody tells you ashawo, if we call it ashawo, you're not even an ashawo. The person knows too that you're not an ashawo, but the person still uses it to abuse you. It's like it's an abusive, it's like a curse word in Igbo. Ashawo, we like to say it. I don't know why, but most people don't relate this to. When you know the meaning, you don't relate it. You can even lead to fight. So don't even call somebody ashawo, please. When you're trying to, don't call somebody ashawo. It might result to fight, and you wouldn't want that, right? Akuna, akuna, ashawo, akuna. Ashawo, it means ashawo, but I don't know why we use it. Though it's not necessarily that you're an ashawo before the person calls you an ashawo, do you get? But just a bad habit. Akuna, akuna. We like to say it a lot. It's a bad habit, but we say it a lot. Akuna, ekwinsu. In as much as this ekwinsu means devil, I don't know why we say ekwinsu. It's devil, but they like to use it as an insult. Ekwinsu, ekwinsu. If you're not even having a running stomach, but somebody is telling you like they say it in a funny way, like your friend or somebody tells you it's not insult, but it's friendly insult in Igbo. If you have stomach pain, if you have running stomach, as it never ends, endless running stomach, akat. If you're a guy and you're watching these videos, what they calls you akat, it means you're an aradite. You know they give. Person know they chop your thing. You know they give anybody shishi, nada. You know they give nada. You know they give nothing. Akate, stingy man, akaradite, akate. It means you don't give. Nobody, person know they chop your own. But if you chop person own, but person know they chop your own. Akate, aradite hand. Uyoshi. Yes, Onyoshi means thief in Igbo. Sorry, Onyoshi means thief in English, right? But in Igbo language, we often say Onyoshi in a very joking way. But it means thief. You can just say something like, Seba Onyoshi. Somebody tries to take your meat when you're eating. Seba Onyoshi. Do you understand? We take it as a funny insult in Igbo, but if people are not to relate anything funny, it might kind of sound very serious to them. But in Igbo, it's a funny insult. Unye, Oshi. It's that kind of thing. You get a joker. Ugly person. Somebody tells you, Seba, boy, joker. Go from here, you're ugly. You know, it's a funny, friendly insult in Igbo. Somebody tells you, you cannot be that ugly. Somebody comes and tells you, you joker. You always, you see one girl, she's cool, she's fine, you're like, get out from here, you joker, that kind of thing. Just always in a friendly way. You see, adirogema, like, you know, your friends, you guys are making a joke, and you just say one funny thing, and the person tells you, this is so funny, you see, adirogema. You actually means in English, your head is not correct. Your head is not correct. That's mean in English, but in Igbo we often use it as a funny insult. Like you can say that to your friends, your siblings, your to your cousin that you're very jovial with. But you can't tell that to somebody you're not in acquaintance with, somebody you're not in a friendly situation, that kind of thing. But it's always used most time in a friendly situation. That kind of thing. Akapo. When you're not tall, you're dwarf, a couple. We often say that, not like an insult, but friendly insult you can say. When it tells you, just a friendly insult in Igbo. So that is just basically it, guys. These are the friendly insults we use in Igbo language. Yes, most often these words are used all the time. You can even tell me that you have heard it most of the time, but yeah, you don't know the meaning, but you have heard it. But these are the very friendly insults and the best we use in Igbo language. Not necessarily that we're angry with you or anything, but we just use it, jokingly all the time. But if you want to translate it to English, it sounds like insult. It's actually an insult, but in Igbo, it's like a funny insult. Did you get? Thank you guys for watching to the end of this video. Hope you learned one or two. And please don't forget to subscribe. Like I said, guys, subscribe to this channel. Help me grow this channel. What's just wrong with you guys? Help me grow this channel. And do have a lovely and wonderful day. Bye.